Have you ever wished your students had a simple way to review what they've already learned, without you having to prepare extra worksheets or revision tasks? Xeropan gives them exactly that through the Practice menu, a space designed for personalised reinforcement. In this part of the training, you'll see two important areas of the student app. The Practice menu, where learners review vocabulary, grammar and speaking. The My Profile page, where they adjust learning preferences and view their progress. This will help you understand how students can continue learning independently beyond the assignments you give them. Students can practice anything they've learned in the Learn menu or through your assignments in My Classes. The Practice menu has 3 tabs: Words, Grammar, Conversation. Each one helps students strengthen skills they've already started building. One of the most useful features is vocabulary health. Xeropan tracks how often a student answers each vocabulary item correctly or incorrectly. Based on this, the AI creates personalised practice, focusing on weak words and maintaining strong ones. A higher percentage means a healthier, more balanced vocabulary. Ideally, students should stay between 50% and 100%. Below this indicator, students can see strong words, expressions they consistently answer correctly. Weak words, vocabulary that needs more practice. Saved words, difficult words students choose to mark with a heart icon. They can also practice vocabulary by topic, regardless of CEFR level. In the Grammar section, students find all grammar lessons available in the Learn menu. They can use filters to browse by CEFR level, making it easy to revise exactly what they need. Students can browse all AI conversation lessons here. They can filter by level using the bar at the top of the screen to find role plays that match their ability or interests. In the My Profile menu, students can adjust their learning preferences. At the top, they can open settings to modify notifications or app behaviour. In the middle, they can switch learning languages, allowing them to study multiple languages at once. Below that, they can update their current level. Further down, students see useful analytics including stars collected, current and longest streak, total time spent learning, certificates, weekly competition placement. These insights help them stay motivated and track their own progress. To wrap it up, here's why Xeropan stands out. AI conversations give students speaking practice with feedback anytime. Gamification keeps motivation high through stars, XP, streaks, and competitions. Personalised practice adapts to each learner's strengths and weaknesses. And most importantly, Xeropan supports learners who want to achieve real, measurable goals, from building vocabulary to speaking confidently.